This is news about the inflation for the month of October. It's at 7% as against 6.4% in September. The increase is partly due to the surge in retail inflation. The rise is due to high vegetable prices, which were reflected in the consumer price index touching double digits at 10.9%.
Putting more pressure on RBI. In fact, it has been rising continuously since the month of May. But this time it was not just food, but also it was driven by higher fuel as well as manufactured good prices, which in fact led to this higher inflation number this month. But if we look at the food inflation, even that stays above the comfortable level of RBI, even though it has cooled off a little bit from 18.4% to 18.19%. Cannot really say a silver lining in the dark clouds, but yes, it has now started showing some signs of easing. And in October, the food inflation was around 18.19%. Now, with the bumper harvest coming into the market, we can expect this percentage to even get a little better. Moving on, talking about vegetables now, which have been making headlines, have also eased a little bit in October. With the year's bumper harvest, in fact, is now expected in the market. So as you can see, there has been a slide from 89% last month to 78% in October. And over the next couple of months also, it should come down from next month onwards. We're now talking about some politically sensitive items, that is the prices of onions as well as potatoes. Onion prices, in fact, had risen to 322% in the month of September. They have eased out a little bit to 278%. Certainly, these are the two items, onions as well as tomatoes and potatoes, have been giving nightmares to the government and have also come down a little bit, but still they weigh very heavy as far as the overall inflation index is concerned. As inflation inches upwards, touching an 8-month high, the big worry, the RBI governor, will he raise interest rates yet again to cool down these prices? Remember, since the time Dr Rajan took over as the new governor of RBI, he has been raising interest rates, and twice he's done that. And on Wednesday, he said that the big food worries that are there right now, they are worryingly high, but also welcomed the falling core consumer inflation. But now, as we've seen the rising wholesale price inflation index right now, this indicates that there are tough days ahead for the central bank.